Hey, hi, hello, my name's Alexis, and today we're getting ready for Valentine's Day. I'm at Dean's house, which is why this is not my usual setup. That's it. That's all I got. So if the lighting or anything is bad, I'm sorry. I think it's fine. Anyways, today is Tuesday. Today's the day before Valentine's Day, and I have the day off, so we're celebrating Valentine's Day today instead of actual Valentine's Day. Works for me. I don't know what we're doing. I don't think we have a plan, but I'm gonna look cute either way. He should be here soon, so maybe I'll pop him in somewhere. He'll sit in with me if he wants to. I don't know. I'm in his room, so like I don't know where else he would go. But yeah, if you can hear the traffic outside, I'm sorry. He lives on a busy road. But yeah, I curled my hair. I never do anything with my hair because it doesn't like to do anything. I need to stop moving it because these curls will fall in like an hour. But yes, I didn't show you curling my hair because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, so there's that. So that was just a mini Mineral Veil primer from Hourglass. For my foundation today, I am going to use the new NARS foundation. NARS gave us the new foundation, so I'm going to use it today. So thank you, NARS. I have this in the shade Punjab. Oops, it spit on me. But yeah, I have this in Punjab. So I'm just going to put all this on. I'm probably going to have to blend down like my chest a little bit when I put my dress on. I'll see if Dean will film a clip for you guys for the dress and I'll like insert it. The dress is really pretty. I got it from Fashion Nova and it was like $35, but I had a 30% off coupon. So I got a really good deal on that dress and it's so cute. It's very like Marilyn Monroe-esque. So yeah, I'm excited about that. There was no video on Monday because I didn't have anything prepared, to be quite honest with you. So I'm sorry about that. Maybe having Dean in today's video will make up for that, I don't know. See, I really like this foundation. Like, I love the way it looks. Like, coverage. Oh, I just stabbed myself in the eye. Okay, as I was saying before I stabbed myself, I love the way this foundation looks. Like, coverage wise, it has such full coverage, but it's not like cakey full coverage. It's just if you're dry. It's not good if you're dry. I'm trying it right now because I am not as dry as I have been. So it looks better than it did the first time I tried it. And the coverage, it like this gnarly breakout covered. Don't even need concealer on it. It looks beautiful. So I'm still so on the fence about this foundation. I'm going to use my Soft Matte Concealer from NARS. Like always, this is in the shade Custard. I should be chit-chatting, but I don't know what to say. I have no other updates. Oh, I know what I can tell you, because I gotta tell you now before Dean gets here. I ordered him a really nice wallet from Fossil for Valentine's Day, and I paid for 2-day shipping. Okay, so I ordered it Friday, first thing in the morning, okay? Like, just let me know if I'm crazy pants. Or, like, if I don't know how days work or something. There's crusties everywhere. Okay, so I ordered it Friday, first thing in the morning. And I paid extra for 2-day shipping. I should have overnighted it. I paid extra for 2-day shipping. It didn't ship until Saturday. And it's not going to be, I think it gets here today, which is Monday. Shouldn't it, I don't understand, here, I think this is why I'm upset. I don't understand why it didn't ship out on Friday when I ordered it. Because you know, most websites, if you order it before a certain time, it ships the same day. Well, apparently Fossil is not like that. So it's not going to be here until today, and I'm not going to be able to get it because I shipped it to my house. Because I thought it would, you know, come faster. But it did not. It did not. And I'm pretty upset. Because I paid for the 2-day shipping because I figured it would ship on Friday when I ordered it. Every other website does that. Am I crazy? You can let me know if I'm wrong. Let me know if I'm wrong because I'm very upset. Because now I feel bad that I have like nothing to give him. I was like, where's my powder? I forgot what I was using. Laura Mercier Candleglow powder. That I can't open. There we go. This will be the most makeup he's seen me in a while. I'm just filling in my brows with Goof Proof from Benefit. I want really like soft, not really soft, but like softer brows than if I were to use the Cabral. Because even though I'm doing a smoky eye, I still want everything to be really soft. Does that make sense? There you go, zoomed in a little bit more. Let's do eyes. I'm gonna use my Pro Prime from NARS. I'm gonna use my Viseart Theory palette in Amethyst. So this little purple guy. I did a other video with this. Was it like an first impressions or something? Whatever video I have with this, I'll put it. I'm not gonna put it in the card. I won't remember. I'll put it in the down in the description. I'm gonna start with this top shade and use that as my transition. I just tried to use my color switch as a mirror. That's not gonna work. Okay, zoomed you in a little bit more. Can you see me? So just throwing that in and above my crease. Nothing too fancy. I'm gonna take the second matte shade and just deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm not gonna put it in the outer corner like I normally would. I'm just gonna put this through the crease. Because I'm doing a traditional smoky eye where it's darkest on the lid rather than like the other smoky eye, which really isn't called a smoky eye, but we'll discuss that at a later time, which is darker on the outside. So I'm just putting that in and blending. And then for the lid, I'm going to use this deep shimmery purple, which I'm really excited about. I keep putting my palette down because I'm forgetting that I'm using it as a mirror. I'm just pressing that all over the lid. Oh my god, it is beautiful. Oh my god. I'm glad I waited to use this shade. This is gorgeous. Oh my god, this color's beautiful. Okay. I'm putting that on the lower lash line because it's too pretty. Usually I'd put like a matte shade on the lower lash line, but this, I gotta put this shade down there. I'm gonna bring that all the way across. And I'm gonna use the lightest shimmery shade to highlight my brow bone in the inner corner. Brow bone. Inner corner. This next step I'm going to do off camera like I normally do. Black liner in my tight line and waterline, curl my lashes, apply mascara, and I'm going to put lashes on today. These are Juliette from House of Lashes and Sephora collection. I think Dean might be home. I heard the door. Yep, that's him. Hi!
Someone has a gift for you.
What? Oh! Oh my god, it's so cute! Oh my god! Oh! It's so cute!
Look who's holding it up for you.
Oh my god. Stop it. Stop. Oh my god. Stop. You're not doing anything.
Isn't the card great though?
It's so cute. Guys, look at this cat. Look at how cute that is.
He looks so happy.
Oh.
You could take all the tape off. That was just so he could hold it up for you.
Guys, look. Oh.
Yeah, show him the cup.
I did.
Oh, you did?
I went like this.
Oh, okay.
I saw both at the same time.
Well.
I know what I'm doing.
My bad. My bad, you're the professional.
I am professional. Kinda.
See you in a bit.
Okay. He's so cute. I don't know if y'all saw him. I don't think you did. I'm gonna make him sit with me so y'all can see him. But he's so cute. Okay, eyes are done. You can't really see. Oh well. We'll just move on. Contouring with my Kevyn Aqua sculpting powder, like I normally do. These lashes are really big. They might be a little bit too big. Oh well, already committed. I'm not taking them off. Bronzing with my really sad chocolate Soleil. Because I still haven't opened another one. For blush, I'm going to use an old favorite. This is Warm Soul from MAC. I still have the old packaging. I think they changed the packaging. Actually, if I remember correctly, they changed the color also. So there's that. This is, yes, that's right, they did. So this is the original Warm Soul. The new one's much more like brown, I think. It's very strange. I don't know why they did that. These lashes are too big.
They look big in the package.
But I didn't think they were going to be that big when I put them on, and then they were. It's too late, I already glued them on. I committed. Look at how tiny my highlighter is.
It's a little teeny.
I don't know where I got this from.
Gratis?
I don't think so. There's no G on it. Anyways, I have a tiny Moonstone from Becca. That's what I'm using to highlight.
It's a teeny highlighter for a teeny girl.
Really small.
I mean, pretty like average height. I'm just a tree.
Zuma and I were talking about that yesterday.
Oh yeah? What'd she say?
I forgot how we got on the subject, but she was like, he's so tall, because we were talking about you. And I was like, I know, Jackie told me he was tall, but she didn't tell me that he was that tall. I'm like, he's literally a foot taller than me. I feel like I'm going like this all the time.
Sorry. Is this yours? Oh, it's your dress.
Yeah.
I know you put it in there.
I did. Not enough highlighter. I'm gonna keep this though. I don't know who started the like frosted donut thing with highlights. Have you heard? It's literally like there was a comment in one of our like somebody made an appointment and you can put like comments, like notes or something, and somebody said that they wanted to be highlighted like a glazed donut, and I was like, the fuck does that mean?
So you just want to look really sweaty?
Yeah, I was
and
like
really tan?
I was like, I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know who started it, like who said it first, where it became a thing. Lip. What is this? This is a slow burn from Marc Jacobs. Now I'm having two conversations at once.
It's called slow burn?
Yeah, this is called slow burn.
It's gonna burn you?
No.
Why is it gonna do that? Makeup's supposed to make you look pretty, not hurt you. Then again, it hurts to look good.
Beauty is pain. Merry Christmas.
What is this? What are you giving me? What is this?
I had to cut the lashes.
Oh my god. These are gonna stick forever.
No, they're not.
Can I toss them?
Yeah.
One of those is still gonna find their way into my eye socket later, thanks to you. I'm gonna be tearing up yet again.
I gave him the bit of the lashes that I had to cut off.
Oh wow, you're so funny.
Come here.
Would have seen that. Oh, I get to be.
Yeah.
In the chat. You gotta adjust it. Hello. Wow, this is weird. I can't see myself because the spectacles aren't on.
Put your glasses on.
But I just see like this really pale, like blob next to like this caramel tan blob. Is that what you used?
Yeah.
NARS. That is some annoying font. Can I see that?
You don't like the NARS font?
No, it's like fucking like going into each other. Sorry. She's gonna have to learn how to bleep.
A lesson in bleeping. Starring me.
Yeah, this looks like they just ran out of room and like smushed it all together.
I don't know. Francois NARS is a weird guy. He wants you to apply everything with your fingers. I'm like, why? I don't like using my fingers.
He's got like a hand fetish.
Oh, maybe. Oh, Francois.
You never think about these things because they're famous and they're in power. So
Francois! Yeah, he always wants you to apply everything. Like, they have brushes, but like with foundations and stuff, he wants you to apply them with your hands.
Is this like a spray? Like?
No, it's a pump.
It's a pump?
Yeah, you just pump it out.
Oh wait, I gotta moisturize now that I think about it.
I got him to use moisturizer. I'm so proud.
Because apparently I'm dry as the fucking
He is dry.
Sahara.
You're not that dry. You're just dry. I've definitely seen someone drier than you.
Oh, like those crusty people.
Yeah.
Oh, they're like salamanders.
And they're just so dry.
They're
just
peeling apart.
And they're like, my skin hurts. And I'm like, oh, no wonder.
What do you think?
Of course your fucking skin hurts.
So are you done now, or are you putting anything else on?
No, I'm done.
You done? Oh, you look beautiful.
Thanks.
I don't know what I can kiss, though. I never know what I can kiss. Sometimes it's kiss-proof, and then other times it's just like it comes off. And then it's on me, but it's smushed around, so I just look like a clown.
I was wearing the glitter flip from Ciate the other day, and I was like, oh, I'm going to take it off before I go to Dean's, and then I did not do that, because I was like, there's no time, I have to go, and then I got here, and he had glitter and just color all over his face.
Yeah. It was great. Can I kiss you yet, or what?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. Mwah.
No, you have lipstick on.
Better look better than you. Those are big lashes.
They are.
Holy
They're really big.
Shit. Damn.
So big.
If it were like too hot today, you could fan me with those things.
If I blink fast enough, I'll probably fly away.
I've never seen you curl your hair before, have I?
No, because it takes forever.
5 ever.
And 5 ever, and my hair doesn't hold a curl very well.
No.
This will be dead by the end of the day.
That's fine. Should we get going?
Yeah.
Alright. What do we do now? Do you like wave goodbye to your fans? I don't know.
I need a new outro because it sounds so robotic now.
What's your usual I should know, because
I was gonna say you watch them.
I do.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. All the links to all my social media will be down in the description. Check it there.
Oh, that is robotic.
It's so robotic!
You need like a catchy sign off.
Because I also don't like just like saying bye and the video ends.
No.
I don't know why.
Peace.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time. Sucker!
Thanks, guys. Over.
No, I get it. I don't know. We'll have to get a focus group for that one and then figure it out. Let's go. I want pancakes.
Okay.
They got pancakes at this place that they take hot dog wieners and they wrap the pancake around it, and it's like the size of my face. And you get 3 of them in a meal. It's fucking delicious.
I have a lot of questions.
It's a pancake. You know what? You're gonna have a lot of delicious in your mouth when we get there. So think on that. All right. What's up? What you doing? Come to this room often? I know you do.
I was gonna say I do. I live in here basically.
Oh, don't say it like that.
No.
You come here like it every now and then. She kind of lives here.
Last time I was here for 4 days.
That's true. But you had like an impromptu like vacation.
An impromptu other day.
Your days off just kind of worked in a way that like.
Yeah, because I had work 1 day and then I didn't go.
Well, you were sick.
Yeah.
The 1 day. And then you had 2 days off in a row.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.